Backrooms level 20. Fun zone is endless waiting halls and arcades. Fluorescent lights buzz. Air feels wrong. Keep footsteps quiet. Windows show a star-filled void. Near them temperature crashes. Frost forms. Paranoia grows fast. Treat this level as high risk. Ceilings drip orange gelatinous ooze. Avoid contact and puddles. It can lure or trap. Move slow. Watch corners and vents. The electric hums with arcade cabinets. Some games give supplies when won. Losing can spawn hostile entities or teleport you deeper. Do not gamble casually. Known entities include hounds, death mobs, clumps, baselings, and skin stealers. Keep distance. Use cover between machines. Listen for buzzing and growls before moving. To escape, search for discreet doors behind counters or staff-only signs. Some game doors lead out. Mark paths.